If you want to cut a rebate or a rabbet, if you're from the United States, in a straight piece of timber, there's a whole range of ways to do it. Often I'll just resort to the table saw because if it's a long straight piece of timber that I need to cut that corner out of, table saw is the quickest way to do it for me. But if you want to go and cut a rebate or a rabbet on a curve, you're going to have to use your router. So there are ways to do this with a handheld router or a router table, but what you will need is a rabbeting bit or a rebate bit. I've got here a rebating set from Freud. So what it is you've got this rebating blade with the ability to put a bearing on top, and the set comes with a variety of bearings. And what that does is allows you to alter the depth of the rebate itself, or the width of the rebate, I guess it would be, and the depth can be altered by how far you either plunge your router down or how far you raise the bit up out of your table. So there are 4 bearings provided in total, and they provide a range of different depths. There's one that's about 7 and 7.5 mil, 9.5 mil, 11 mil, and then 12.7. And unfortunately, they all are converted from imperial, which is not unfortunate if you're from the United States. You should get with the program, metric. It'll change your life. But anyway, it's still a whole bunch of really useful depths that you can use. I'm going to throw this in the router table, run it along the inside curve of this piece, and just show you one of the depths of cut. You know, the Freud bits are made in Italy. They're incredibly high quality. You'll get a really long life out of them. A better quality of cut right out of the box, super, super sharp, but also a better quality of cut through a much longer life than you would from a less expensive bit. So if this is the kind of bit that you're using all the time, it's really worth investing in a bit like this that'll give you just way more cutting power and way more cutting longevity. As you can see, you know, this is a really useful set to have. Gives you a lot of versatility, and the cut quality on this particular blade is just stunning. There's a shine coming off the cut itself, both on end grain and on the face grain here, that I just don't get from a lot of other router bits. And that means, you know, less finishing, less messing around with it later, and just a nicer quality product all round. If you're looking for more in-depth information about rabbeting and rabbeting sets, rabbeting router bit sets, we have another video up here. So it's longer, it goes into more detail. You can check that out as well. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We have tons more stuff coming out on this router bit and other stuff. So jump on there and I'll see you next time.